Alright everyone, welcome back girls and boys for another unboxing video. And this one is Yoko wireless speaker model number Y406. What you guys can see is wireless, EQ, mic, USB, TF card, FM radio, and TWS. Yoko. Let's look at the specs. And you guys can see wireless speaker, model number, and let's look at the specifications so you guys can read it. Oh man, I have to kind of like raise this up. So there you go. You guys can pause it and read it. Cool. 3 kinds of RGB light modes, 5 kinds of EQ modes. There you go. Charging cable 1 piece, so it's speaker 4-inch, 10 watt, 3.7 volts, 2,400 milliamp hours. Play time 1.1 hour and a half to 3 hours. DC input 5 volts. Impedance 3 ohms. Frequency response 150 hertz to 18k hertz. And I don't know what. Oh, net weight 2.3 pounds, and product size 6 by 10 by 5 inches. Yep, so let's open it up, my piece, so we won't be here forever and ever and take too long. Nothing fancy about the box. So let's open it up to see what's up. What's inside? Yeah, the wind is pretty strong right now. Okay, so let's remove this plastic from here, just to remove the tape. Just bring it out. Check it out. Oh, okay, that's like some rubber. Let's put this back inside so the wind won't take it. Oh, so look what we got inside, my peeps. We got the charging cable. Alright, so it's USB. Portable charger, that's all it has. Put this inside. Look at it real quick. There you go, Yoko. 10 watts. It's nice and loud. It has a nice little handle. And look at all the features it has. It's nice and light. It's nice and compact, you know. It doesn't have a lot of weight, which is cool, but it doesn't feel like flimsy, like cheap. So check it out, man. You have your on and off, your DC 5 volts in, you got your TF card, your USB, your LED, your EQ, your volume up and down, skip and go backtrack, and then you have your different mode and your scan, and you have your microphone. Yeah, my piece. I don't know. Oh, looks like it does turn on. Cool, dude. Thing's cool. Oh man. So there you go. Nice, nice, my peeps. Let me see if we could put it on mode real quick. Okay, then you put the LED. Oh, look, you see, you can change the settings. Cool. Alright, my peeps, you guys are gonna see this in future videos. But yeah, it turns on, it works. I have to charge it too, because I don't know, I have to read the manual. Did it come with a manual? No manual. Oh well. Alright. Hopefully I could find YouTube videos or their website, you know? Alright, peeps, that's it, man. Hope you guys like this unboxing video. Alright, everyone, smash that like button, comment, share the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thanks for supporting. Alright, everyone, stay tuned for the next unboxing video. Alright, peace, oopsie daisy, peace, love, and health.